Fresh styling and new tech usually won't sell heavy-duty trucks, but you'll change your mind when you see the all-new Ram HD with the updated front fascia that makes it more aggressive and the updated technology that improves overall comfort in this working machine. The Ram HD wows everybody, and here are the key features that make this big rig a standout choice. Engines. Under the hood of a Ram 2500 HD is a good old Hemi unit. It might not impress you with outputs, but the reliability and durability are the selling points of this engine. Raw power and smooth performance are guaranteed. This drivetrain produces 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque for the Ram 2500, although engineers have tuned it to deliver up to 475 horsepower for some other vehicles. Still, for the heavy-duty truck category, constant power and long life are more important. Unlike some competitors that rely solely on diesel options for towing power, this 6.4-liter Hemi shows that gas units can still get the job done. What ruts the power is a refined 8-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to towing, the petrol-powered Ram 2500 can pull up to 18,000 pounds properly equipped. While the diesel option offers higher numbers, the gas unit still comes with enough muscle for most hauling tasks. Trailer sway control and available integrated trailer brake controller are Ram's advanced technologies. With them, you're getting safer and easier towing even under demanding conditions. The 6.4-liter engine in the Ram 2500 is well known for its durability, as we've said before. It's been built to handle heavy workloads for years, with its powerful specs and capability. This petrol drivetrain remains a top choice for buyers looking for a balance of towing capacity, affordability, and everyday drivability. Although some fans wished for the Hurricane engine, it won't happen for the Ram HD. Sure, the 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 replaced the 6.4-liter V8 Hemi under the bonnet of the smaller Ram 1500. And yes, it can provide 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet in its base form, and up to 510 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque with a high-output upgrade, but the company really won't trade the raw power of a V8 drivetrain for a turbo 6 yet. Cummins Diesel. The Hemi engine will get most jobs done, but for the toughest tasks, you will need a diesel unit. The Ram 2500 is available with a 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo i6, built for those who demand serious towing and hauling capabilities every day. For the Series 2 heavy-duty model, engineers turned the drivetrain to deliver 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque, while they squeeze even more juice if you opt for the Ram 3500 and its high-output version. The ASIN 6-speed gearbox is still the transmission for the Cummins engine. The all-new ZF power line is out, and this 8-speed gearbox might replace the old case. What sets the diesel-powered Ram 2500 apart from the petrol counterpart is its towing capacity. When properly equipped, the truck can pull up to 20,000 pounds, and that's more than both heavy-duty trucks from General Motors, but still less than the 23,000-pound towing capacity of the Ford F-250. Ram optionally offers advanced towing features for the Series 2 trucks, such as the fifth wheel/gooseneck prep package for the strongest possible towing setup. Besides durability, mileage is a well-known fact about the Cummins diesel engines. The Ram 2500 comes with impressive fuel economy for a truck of its size, making it one of the best choices for long-distance towing. Also, buying a turbo diesel means peak torque at low RPMs. Simply said, you're getting strong pulling power right from the start, even when carrying heavy loads. Trim levels. The company is shaking things up in the lineup, and don't worry, all the best configurations are back, with a high-end tungsten being added to the squad. Launching the luxury model has its pros and cons, but its importance is greater with Ford and GM offering similar packages for their heavy-duty trucks. We saw the debut of the tungsten grade on the smaller Ram 1500, and now the larger counterpart is following in the footsteps and making this badge the top-of-the-line trim. The game starts with a tradesman. To put it simply, a workhorse. You're getting a tough and reliable rig without too much fancy stuff. The tradesman is the fleet buyer's favorite and the most common version you'll find on construction sites. Functionality over luxury is what sells the base version. Highlights of the minimalistic design are vinyl seats and manual windows. However, it's not completely bare bones thanks to the advanced Uconnect infotainment, Bluetooth connectivity, and a rear-view camera as standard options. Also, the latest facelift cranks up the aggression, especially with a massive grille being significantly larger than the one on previous models. It's easy to mistake the Ram 2500 for the Ram 1500 at first glance, with a similar design languages being used up front, but the heavy-duty truck's fascia is far more striking. The Bighorn is the next step, but keeps a work-ready demeanor. Chrome accents and 18-inch wheels will make the Lone Star for Texans easy to recognize. Premium cloth seating replaces vinyl, a larger touchscreen takes the central position on the dashboard, and more optional upgrades are available. The luxury touches are available when you opt for the Laramie trim. Leather seats with heating and cooling, Alpine Studio, driver assistance features, parking sensors, and alloy wheels are just some of the upgrades over the Bighorn. But the balance between practicality and opulence is still there, while the Longhorn jumps jumps into the luxury realm with a distinctive style, premium features, and advanced systems. The list of highlights is really long, but we love the 12-inch touchscreen, 20-inch wheels, wireless charger, and Harman Kardon audio. The limited edition was the top-of-the-line grade with real wood interior accents and advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, but now the tungsten is there to lure buyers looking for high-end options. Still, the question is if the purchase is wise, since the Ram 2500 is a workhorse in the first place. Taking a premium ride to the construction sites may cause damage and expensive repairs. Off-road packages. Instead of spending a fortune on luxury packages and risking costly maintenance, wouldn't it be smarter to opt for an off-road focused model? Built for rugged terrain, these grades come with extra body protection and drivetrain upgrades to make a smoother and more durable ride. Plus, the Ram 2500 offers some of the most capable off-road trim levels in the heavy-duty segment. The Rebel combines the strength of a heavy-duty truck with impressive all-terrain chops. This trim maintains strong towing and payload capabilities even in the toughest conditions. Key off-road features include skid plates for the transfer case, fuel tank, and front suspension, ensuring essential components are protected. For improved traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, an electronic rear locking differential is standard. The ride is smooth thanks to 33-inch all-terrain tires, Bilstein monotube shocks, and hill descent control. But the ultimate off-road package in the heavy-duty truck market is Power Wagon, exclusive to the Ram 2500. The Hemi V8 is the only powertrain, unlike the Rebel, which also offers a diesel. Front and rear electronically locking differentials are standout options, and the Power Wagon also offers a unique disconnecting front sway bar which increases wheel articulation, allowing the truck to move more freely over obstacles. The 12,000-pound Warn winch integrated into the front bumper allows the Power Wagon to pull itself or another vehicle out of tough situations. Upgrades over the Rebel package are unique off-road suspension, additional skid plates, and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires. That's all you need for an off-road adventure without worries of being stuck somewhere. Additionally, the truck comes with factory lift, providing better ground clearance. It's focused on off-road performance, but the Power Wagon still comes with solid towing and payload capacity. Best features. The Ram 2500 offers a wide range of optional upgrades, allowing buyers to customize their trucks. You can tune your ride for work, adventure, or style, upgrading functionality, durability, and overall aesthetic appeal. The multi-function tailgate is a game changer thanks to the versatility it provides to the rear end of the truck. This innovative tailgate splits 60-40, allowing for easier loading and unloading. It can also swing open like doors, offering more convenient access to the bed. Another popular feature is the Rambox cargo management system. This lockable storage is integrated into the truck's bed, offering weatherproof and drainable compartments on each side. You can store tools, gear, or even cold drinks there without worry of damage. For those in colder climates or who frequently deal with bad weather conditions, the Snow Chief package is a practical option. It includes a 220-amp alternator, an anti-spin rear differential, clearance lamps, and flow preparation. If style is a priority, blacked-out badges, grille, and wheels of the Night Edition make the truck look bold and modern. Pricing. When the pricing range stretches from $47,000 to $90,000, it's obvious how versatile the Ram 2500 HD can be. The company didn't fix one of the main downsides, though. Upgrading from the base Tradesman to the Bighorn still costs more than $10,000. It's still a work truck with a price that touches the premium realm. The Laramie is a perfect choice if you're looking for the best balance between the utility and luxury. The new Tungsten Edition takes the crown as the king of the lineup with a starting price of $90,000, but its bold entrance has a silver lining. Limited and Longhorn trims are now more approachable with discounted pricing compared to previous editions. Off-road specialists like Rebel and Power Wagon are around $70,000. Thanks for watching and see you next time.